Doesn't make a difference.
Okay, so we are making a demo. It's a simple demo here. Right now in the corner you see different data. First, in the upper right corner you see the coordinates in microns of the current position of the slide. In the lower right corner you see the map of the slide, and this cross signifies the position of the objective relative to the slide. And we have a real-time update of the leave slide label, which we basically obtain in the real time from the slide position. So let's mark this particular location. Please note the position in the coordinates in the microns. We mark using this button here, and you may notice that there is a bookmark appearing on the map. Now let's go for a walk on the slide. Let's go somewhere, some places. I don't know, somewhere interesting. Find some things. Maybe, I don't know, something like that. Maybe somewhere further. Somewhere here. Basically, I've gone till the end of the slide. Okay, you see that the position is tracked very smoothly. Here's another edge of this tissue. Let's go back. We know more or less the precise position of where we want to return. So let's go there, more or less. And we're almost there. Almost there. Making the precise movements. And now you can see we are here. We're right at the place. Like I said, the precision is within the 40 microns tolerance, and